What's up, man?
Just having a little smoke session here.
I can take this.
Oh.
Okay, dude. Yeah, it was a bad idea.
It's terrible to be filmed while smoking.
Yeah. How does it feel like, huh?
This trashy bottom here. Oh,
Damn.
Brilliant location.
Brilliant. Location. Alright, so we got first one here, Matt.
Cherry lime.
What was that? Alright, here we go.
Det er cherry lime, som det er sådan hård pistil.
Cool, man.
Og grapefruit.
Grapefruit, same kind of.
Så har vi nogle chocolate mint brownies, som der smager røvgodt. Det gør de andre to også rigtigt, men
Damn.
lidt mere af det gode.
Same chocolate.
Og her har vi noget cheesecake. Cheesecake, lige
Not
præcis.
cake,
Nej,
quake.
Quake, lige præcis. Og noget grapefruit diesel. Og nogle cherry bombs, dem har vi sådan set allerede spist, men I'm not filming us, I'm filming you.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, how's it now?
Oh, dude. Leech flush?
Oh, sorry.
Fuck you, man. I'm feeling shit.
Post
Hey. No. Alright, this bastard. Get the fuck away from me. Bitch. No. Dude. This guy.